2, 1, go.
Qualification match 20. Starts off strong for human players. BBQ trying to make some shots in, but gets hung up on the bump. As Team Appreciate unleashes an absolute torrent of fuel onto the Blue Alliance hub. The wait was worth it. Team Appreciate collecting more fuel in the middle of the field. Red Alliance trying to make some scores as Appreciate fills their hub one last time before it goes inactive. Metal Jackets struggling to move. Let's see if they can start shuttling some fuel back to their teammates. BBQ trying to line up. Doesn't look like they have a lot of fuel in their robot. Let's see what they can do. As Appreciate continues to load fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Fusion Core not far behind them. Appreciate goes for another blizzard of fuel. And they're already full again, lining up with the hub again. Team Appreciate is unrelenting, continuing to fire into the Blue Alliance hub as they plow into the neutral zone to clean up that fuel spill. Fusion Core and Appreciate both loading up on fuel to shuttle it back over to their side of the field. The shift changes to blue, and Appreciate wastes no time filling the Blue Alliance hub. Team Appreciate is currently ranked number 2. They're trying to go for number 1. They're going to have to beat a pretty good average. Let's see what they can pull off. Ten seconds left in the match. Appreciate trying to make one last shot. 3, 2, 1. Final scoring. It's the Blue Alliance. 284 to 16. Team Appreciate hoping that'll bump them up in the rankings, and it does. Team Appreciate overtakes Robo Wranglers for the number 1 spot, but it's still early days.